Let me get off here and put a filter on. How do I don't know how it works. Okay, I'm over the filter. I'm just go.
I don't know how to do all that. I'm just gonna ask you, where you get the filter from?
On TikTok, Mom. This is my mom. Say hi.
Hey.
That's my mommy. And I'm out here in the Carlsbad flower fields because that's what my mommy wanted to do for Mother's Day. And then we're going to the strawberry fields next. Hi, everybody. So yeah, we're just out enjoying the day. Oh, I want a picture right here, Mommy.
Okay.
I guess I have to get off live to take a picture though, huh?
Yeah.
Or you can use your camera.
Okay.
Okay, use your camera so I don't have to get off live. Oh, it's pretty. So yeah, we're out here in Carlsbad at the flower fields. Look at them. See, they don't have to pay $25. They just look over their balcony. These people over here.
And I'm thinking those are some timeshares that we once looked at for a game.
Shop Magic Hair Company, guys. We're having a great sale right now. Go ahead. I guess I have to put my phone. Let me put my phone down for a second so my mom can get a good picture. No, you keep your camera up. Okay, ready? Okay, got it, guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, we're out here in the flower fields, spending some quality time, taking some beautiful pictures. It's very romantic. Lots of couples. I would definitely drag my husband here.
It smells good.
It smells good. Well, only these flowers smell good, but the majority of the flowers aren't these kinds. So
Rhinoculars don't seem to have them.
rhinoculars, that's what they're called. But yeah, check us out, Magic Hair Company. We have the best wigs. We do custom color. We're having a sale right now. If you're not already following us, go ahead and follow us at Magic Hair Co on all of our social media. Like, comment, subscribe. Shop with us if you want the best, guys. But yeah, it's so beautiful out here. I love it. Okay, I'm about to get off live, but thanks, guys. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to follow us, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. We have the best wigs at Magic Hair Company. I'm getting out of breath. Okay, bye. I don't know how to end it. Okay, I'm gonna stay on for a little bit more because I don't see the end button.
I know, I was like, yeah. Chelsea, how's your nose?
Huh? I smell kettle corn, definitely. Ooh, okay, it's getting prettier over here. Good thing I didn't get off. But yeah, it's just a nice day out here. A nice, beautiful day. Huh? Yeah, let's go up there and get a picture. Ooh, it's pretty over there. Okay, you know we're about to do a photo shoot, y'all. And we're doing more walking. Lots of walking involved. I can hear my thighs clapping together. Okay. Ooh, okay, I want a picture up here. Look how beautiful it is.
Take a picture of us together.
Okay, okay guys, I'm officially getting off now. And thank you for watching. We are Magic Hair Company, where we have the best glueless lace wigs. Check us out, magichaircompany.com. Like, comment, subscribe, share, follow, all that good stuff. Okay, bye. I don't see where the end button is. It's not like usual.
Oh, you're still in the video?
Oh, here it is.